अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज जो मेरे पास प्रोडक्ट है ये X9 डोरबेल है। अच्छा, इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे कमेंट रिसीव हुए थे हमें कि हम इंटरनेशनली व्यू कर रहे हैं, तो आप इसकी वीडियो इंग्लिश में भी बनाएं। हमारी इंग्लिश मदर टंग नहीं है, फिर भी आई वुड ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू मेक इट इन इंग्लिश। टुडे आई हैव a doorbell X9 model visualizable smart doorbell. It consists of real-time talking, multiple melodies, and wireless connection. I would rate the item number. The model number is X9. Product size is mentioned of speaker and doorbell. Battery consists of 800 mAh battery. Charging port is Type C. It can work around about 3 hours, 3 months. As you can see here, it can work around 3 months. Charging time 1.5 hours approximate. Quality check approve. Here's a picture and that QR code which would help you download its application. Long time working, fast charging, and you can screenshot from the app. Here's the product box. Let's open it to show you. Upon your request, we are opening the box. It came with packing. As you can see, I have opened the box. Uh, Starting with the doorbell. Here is the doorbell. Here is the Type C cable. A very short Type C cable length port providing fast charging function. Here we can put it here. Then now removing doorbell. Here you can see the Type C port. Here enclosed. Here is the speaker. And here is the sticker to stick on the wall. You can remove this one, and as you can see, and you would able to place on. As you can see, it can also speak. Here is the microphone above. If you can see on the camera, here is the camera, and here is the button. uh, it would be uncharged because it was in box pack. This is the product, the speaker which will be helping in the house, which would be placed in the house. We would click the button and it will work. If you are having any problem in binding this device, you can contact us on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, YouTube, or on WhatsApp on number +92 Pakistan 3242764031. Here is the product. You can also order from Rust Online Shopping. Here is the box where the product was enclosed. Let's pack it. Type C cable. Very slim and design. I am trying my best to provide you the best experience with my language and explanation. If you are unable to understand something, you can contact me on WhatsApp. I would help you reach out with my team and help to resolve the issues you face. Let's pack it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. We are uh, here as Rust Online Shopping. You can also see the user manual in English and Chinese as well. Here's the QR code which would help you download the application. Here is the user manual in Chinese, as the product is made in China, so the user manual is also present in Chinese. This is the pack model. If you have any question regarding the product, you can contact us without any hesitation. I would suggest you to please subscribe to the channel because we are helping you understand the product better before buying. Here is the product. Here's the QR code enclosed. Here is the total box. Visualizable mean that you can see the picture from your cellular phone. You can also screenshot from it. It supports fast charging and it can work up to 3 months. On a normal use, it would be working up to 3 months, and after 1.5 hours, or I guess 2 hours charging, it would also give 3 months more backup for your needs. Thank you for subscribing Rust Online Shopping. Allah Hafiz.